Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome once again to this video presentation. In this particular video, I want to show us quickly how you can create your Facebook page. Maybe you want to have a page. You know, Facebook respects pages more than normal profiles. Everybody can operate a profile, but when you want to do branding, you have a particular niche that you want to show forth. You have an idea or you have a business that you want to portray. The best way to operate that is through a page, not a normal profile. And you have to do that. And to do that, the first thing is we're gonna go to Facebook app. So Facebook app, and then you're gonna click on this, on your picture, this top right corner, and then you will scroll down. Immediately you see here pages. Then you click on pages. If you have other pages, you're gonna see them aligned right down. You have pages you're managing. You have pages that you are admins to. They're going all to show right below here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on create, where you see this plot. You're gonna click here. Say create your page. A page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, or organization. It might be a business, it might be a company, it might be an organization that you wish to create a page for. You can scroll and read other things. You can do things like showcase products and services, collect donations, and create ads. Sometimes it's difficult to create ads from your profile, normal profile. So if you're thinking of running ads, in other words, advertising on Facebook, then you must have to consider creating a page. Here, create your page. Millions of people discover and connect with pages every day. So it's easier for people to connect with you through your page from across the world. So the next thing we're gonna do is click on get started. Okay, so username. So use the name of your business, brand, or organization, or a name that helps people or explain your page. Obviously, before creating a page, you should already have a name. Okay, and then you're gonna put the name. I want us to use this. Okay, please, kindly, as we continue, kindly remember to subscribe to our channel. If you haven't done so yet, you can like our Facebook page. You can follow us on Facebook. You can follow us on Instagram for more videos like this that are going to be helpful. Thank you. Okay, once you've written the name, you're going to take next. And here you're going to specify the category. Various category. You can enter up to 3 categories. Is it the religious? organization, is a musician or band, health or beauty, grocery. You can as well search from here if peradventure what you're looking for is not on those popular ones. Maybe it's a shop. You just click something like shop. See, it's going to show shopping service, shopping mall, support shopping district, coffee shop, all kinds of shops, you know. If it's a church, you enter church, you're going to see church, the Church of God, Church of Christ, Grand Church. Those are ones that are registered in Facebook algorithm, so that's why they can easily show up. If the category is church, you simply choose church. But this is not a church, so we're gonna think music, and search music. Okay, say music, video, music chat, music production studio, music award, music producer, live, music venue, movie and music store. If it's what you're looking for, you see musician, string musician, all kinds of categories. Real estate, so you know exactly what you're looking for as categories. For this one, we're going to take like musician and band. We're going to take like something Christian music or so. We take it like further. You can't find Christian music. Let's try gospel. So nothing like that. Okay, we can take religious organization. We take entertainment. Okay. Once you're done choosing the categories, you're going to hit on the button. This button at the bottom, create. Once you hit there, it's supposed to go. Say you have created too many pages. You have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. But all things being equal, once you hit on the create button, it's supposed to go ahead and create your page. Thank you for watching. But never mind. Check out our next video. We're going to show you exactly how to solve this problem. We're going to show you how you can bypass and create your Facebook page.